First we have, I don't even know what that is. Nothing important. Oh my gosh, I gotta represent myself. Next we have the 12K attacker. Wait, no, it's not. Some Genesis thing. I don't know. We have the Seal Dragon Blockade, the just normal before the cross ride. Random grade 3. 9K attacker, I believe. Yeah. For Celestials. Dang, this set sucks. Or this packet, rather. The 9K, if it hits, you draw a card for Aquaforce. Double rare. Is that it? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's it for that one. So the only two things was the double rare from Aquaforce and then the Blockade. Then on to the next one. The part of the chain for Aquaforce. Genevius or something like that. Oh my gosh. The 10K attacker for Seal Dragons. Mobile hospital thing. Angel Feather. No idea. The first two packs aren't looking too amazing so far. Oh, Zero triple rare. So out of 11 packs, 1 triple rare so far, 2 doubles. Not bad. Oh, actually, no, that was 10. Then we have, right after the Zero Kill, or Sakurao, or whatever you want to call it, the Perfect Shield for Kagero, Seal Dragons. Then the last one of this, we just have some random Angel Feather Phoenix, grade 3. Goals. On to the next one. Booster for Seal Dragon. I was writing that in the draft, actually. It really screwed me over. Let's see, what else? 12K attacker for Tachikaze, grade 2. There. The 10K attacker, grade... No, actually, it's just a 10K, I guess. Or 9K, rather. Booster or attacker. Grade 1. Celestials. Commando Sweep, a triple rare. Not an SP. So, it's 2 triples so far. 3 doubles, I believe. And we have random Tachikaze, grade 3. And there's one more pack in this packet. Well, draft thing. And what do we got? The Break Ride, I believe, for Tachikaze. Double rare. Alright, 4th one. Starting with a 12K attacker for Seal Dragon. Fortuna, part of Genesis, triple rare. Can't really be played right now because her deck isn't there. hoping I get Ramiel, at least one. 10k attacker for, well, 10k vanilla rather, grade 2. Angel Feather, Celestials. Revon. This is not an SP, it's just a triple rare. It's a grade 2, something damage zone, Celestials. I know Makuto's gonna want that, because he likes little girls that are animated. And we have a random Tachikaze thing. I'm pretty sure it was the last thing of the last packet thing too.
You just keep all the packs together?
Yeah, they're right there. Ugh. You're on your 4th right now. Well, 5th rather.
Any Dauntless?
No, you have a Fortuna, Zerakill, Revon.
Ugh, sealed random blockade.
Yeah, that only has 2 doubles. We have a Narukami, grade 3, not a good one at all, compared to the actual ones that are in the set. No Dauntless so far, so we'll see. Random grade 3 for Aquaforce. Yeah, oh yeah, you got Sweep too, I forgot that. I guess some Genesis card. I don't know. I don't know that clan. Can't really make it until next set anyway, so. It's not looking good for Dauntless. I'm pretty sure another Genesis. Is that the same one? Yes, it is. The same one from the pack I just opened. It's weird.
Well, at least no all rare packs yet.
Yes, so far. Another random card. Narukami. Something Eradicator, Drop Zone. I don't know. This might be an all rare pack right here. So, maybe they're always one. And yes, it was an all rare pack. The starter for the Ripple Chain. Alright, that's an all rare pack. I'm pretty sure you can look at it. On to the 6th one. I'm assuming there's always one in one of these cases then, because the Tyranno Legend, the thing you ride on the brake ride, I guess, for a Tachikaze.
Oh yeah, all rare pack.
I'll just throw that away right now. 12k attacker Tachikaze. So far this one's a good one if you drafted Tachikaze, I guess.
Damn, no Dauntless?
No, not
one
yet.
shield.
Yeah. 12k attacker for Celestials.
Fucking, ugh. That would kill yourself if you got this one.
Well, the rare one was worse, so. Oh, another. Oh, perfect, and that's the Angel Feather one, Celestials. Random grade 3 Phoenix thing, Angel Feather, not even Celestials. And the Ripple Chain starter again. Alright, on to the 7th. I'm wondering if I'll actually see an SP. We have some ancient dragon thing, Tachikaze, whatever. I don't play that. Ooh, Perfect Shield for Aquaforce, the alternate art of Pascal, I believe it's called. So 3 perfects altogether, I think. I think I just don't have the Tachikaze one. Angel Feather, 9k. If you have Zerakill, or Zachariah, whatever. Oh, no. Oop, finally. I think that's all the perfects of the set. the Ancient Dragon Perfect for Tachikaze. A random Mobile Hospital Angel Feather, whatever. Not looking good on Dauntless right now. And the grade 2 again for the Ripple Chain. On to the last one. Let's see what we get. We have a random Aquaforce grade 3. Very disappointing. The Celestial grade 2, 8K, does something. Starting Ripple again. Ooh, this one's not looking too good as well. The 9K Angel again. This one might be an all rare pack too. There's only 2 packs left. You had 2 perfects in this. No Dauntless yet.
Damn, is there no Dauntless in this one?
Maybe not. Oh, random rare. Last pack, let's see if it's random rare. That would mean 2 out of 8 were random rares, so. And random rare.
Damn.
So out of the 2 of 8 random rares, random rare packs, I guess. And let's see. Perfect.
So
overall, I'd say it wasn't bad. Just wasn't amazing. You got all of the perfects, all 4. I think there's 4, right? Yeah.
No 2Os. And
no SPs either, but roughly was a decent amount. That's rare.
high triples. 3, 4 triples, and 8 doubles. I guess that sounds right.
Yeah.
Alright, and that was a pre-release kit. Thanks for watching, guys.